Hi, my name is Alex and I'd like to show you how to create your own beads and pendants using polymer clay. In this video I will use only kitchen tools, so for example pastry rolling pins, some cake cutters, knives, and you will also need toothpicks. I'm going to use red and orange clay. The clay weighs 56 grams, but I will only need 1/4 of the red package and 1/4 of the orange package. To condition a clay, twist it, roll it, cut it, twist it, roll it, cut it until you feel that the clay is really smooth, and when you fold it, it doesn't break and you can't see any cracks. Once your clay is conditioned, make 2 sheets, one red and one orange, and cut those sheets into stripes and then put them together in a striped pattern. Smooth the sheet with the roller and cut it again under 90-degree angle. Then put those stripes so you have the mosaic pattern. Take a cutter and cut whatever shape you need. I need 2 circles for earrings. Put your shapes aside, and in my case I'm left with a rectangle and I'm going to roll it into a cane and slice it. Now you can skip this step if you want to, but I feel like I need to change my circles into more like oval shapes. And it's just a pattern to be more stretchy. And then put slices of the cane on the top of it. Flatten it again into the width that you require. I want my earrings to be quite light, so my sheet of clay is not more than 2 millimeters thick. Okay, so I'm going to cut the circle shape again. No, I really like this pattern now. And with the rest of the clay, I'm going to make beads. Also, I want some rectangular shaped beads with 2 holes, one on each side. Oh yeah, you will need to do the holes. So I'm using toothpick to make larger holes, and also I have a needle for the round beads. Once you're happy with your creations, then don't forget to put it into the oven. I baked mine for around 20 minutes on 130 degrees Celsius. Well, the temperature and the time in the oven will vary depending on the vendor. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. And if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.